Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to connect your GameSir Nova Lite controller to a PlayStation 4. First, we need to power on the controller in pairing mode. Make sure the controller is off. To do this, press and hold the home button and the B button at the same time for about 3 seconds. You will see the indicator light start to flash rapidly in blue. This flashing means the controller is now in pairing mode and ready to connect with your PS4. Next, go to your PlayStation 4 console. Turn it on and log into your profile. From the home screen, navigate to the Settings menu. Once in Settings, scroll down to find Devices and select it. Then choose Bluetooth devices. The PS4 will start searching for available Bluetooth devices. When the controller appears in the list, it will usually be labeled as wireless controller. Use your PS4 controller or another input device to select this option. The PS4 will start pairing with your GameSir Nova Lite. This process should only take a few seconds. Once the connection is successful, the indicator light on your controller will stop flashing and stay solid. Thanks for watching.